issues in my laptop. We have to end our meeting. So let us start now. Let us resume from here again. So I have shown you this formula. Okay. Now with the help of this formula, we can convert sine cube theta. So let us first convert sine cube theta. So it will be 4 sine cube theta is equal to 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta. This will come to this side. It will become positive, and this will go to that side. It will become negative. Okay. So volume is very low because of again this net issues only. You can do one thing. Increase your device volume. Right. Try to increase your device volume. So now the sine cube theta will become 3 by 4 sine theta minus 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. Okay. So now with the help of this formula, I will convert my given question. Now see over here. Okay. So here 3t is my theta or not? Okay. So this will become Laplace of 3 by 4 sine theta, 3 by 4 sine theta minus 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. So my theta is 3t and my 3 theta will be 3 3s are 90. Okay. Is it clear first? Now, if I have to find its Laplace, so I have told you that in plus and minus you can apply Laplace directly, and if anything is constant, आप उसे directly बाहर ले सकते हो. You can take this constant out from your Laplace transform. So this will be your 3 by 4 Laplace of sine 3t minus 1 by 4 Laplace of sine 90. So what is formula of Laplace of sine 80, students? Laplace of sine 80 is equal to a divided by s square plus a square or not? Okay. Laplace of sine 80 is a divided by s square plus a square. So this will be your 3 by 4. Here instead of a we are having 3. 3 divided by s square plus 3 square minus 1 by 4. Instead of a we are having 9. So it is 9 divided by s square plus 9 square is equal to 3 3s are 9 by 4, or yes, this is also 3 3s are 9 by 4 and this is also 9 by 4. So let us take 9 by 4 as common. So in first place I'll be having 1 upon s square plus 9 because 3 square is 9 minus 1 upon, this is 9 square is 81, s square plus 81. So here if you will simplify further, if you take LCM over here, so this will be your 9 by 4 s square plus 81 minus s square minus 9 whole divided by s square plus 9 into s square plus 81. Plus s square minus s square will get cancelled out. So this is equal to 9 by 4 into 81 minus 9. 72 or not? Okay. Divide by s square plus 9 s square plus 81. In next step you can simplify this further, right? 18 4s are 72, isn't it? And then 18 into 9. So that all depends on your exam. Okay, that in which form they are going to give you options. Is it clear now? Okay, क्या घर से ट्राई किया था ये क्वेश्चन? चलो नेक्स्ट. अब आपके पास नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है लाप्लास ऑफ साइन टू द पावर 4t. चलो साइन टू द पावर 4t का डायरेक्ट तो हम नहीं फाइंड कर सकते, उसको इस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा ताकि आपको उसका आंसर मिले, ताकि आपको उसका सॉल्यूशन मिले. चलो, ताकि आप उसे ऐसे लीनियर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर पाओ कि जैसे आप वहां पे लाप्लास अप्लाई कर सको. चलो, हाउ कैन यू अप्लाई लाप्लास ओवर देयर? Sine to the power 4t. Do you know any formula for sine to the power 4t? So let us see formula book once again. See over here. So there is one formula for sine square theta. And similarly, I will give you this formula for both of them. Like in earlier case, we have seen sine 3 theta and cos 3 theta. Now formula of sine square theta, it is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. And formula of cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Is it clear? So sine square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 and cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Now in this question, sorry, yes, this. So in this question, we have to find formula of sine to the power 4 theta. So here, if I have to find formula of sine to the power 4 theta, it can be written as sine square theta whole square or not. Now what is the formula of sine square theta? 1 minus cos 2 theta whole divided by 2 whole square. So this is your formula of 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2 whole square. So 1 by 2 square, it is 1 by 4, right? Now a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Is it clear? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Now again, we are not having Laplace of cos square or cos cube. We have to convert this in linear form only. So how we can convert this in linear form? So as we are having formula of sine square, that is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Formula of cos square is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So this will be your 1 by 4, 1 minus 2 times cos 2 theta plus this cos square 2 theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 times 2 theta divided by 2 or not. Are you getting my point? Right. We are just writing formula of cos square 2 theta, cos square theta. It is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So this will be your 1 by 4. If I take 2 as LCM, 2 ones are 2, minus 2 twos are 4 cos 2 theta, plus 1 plus cos 4 theta whole divided by 2. So it will be your 1 by 8. 2 plus 1, that is 3. It is your 1 by 8. 2 plus 1, it is your 3 plus cos 4 theta minus 4 cos 2 theta. Okay, it is clear now. So this is your conversion of sine to the power 4 theta into linear form, where you can apply Laplace now. Okay, so let us try to apply Laplace over here now. So first we will put this value, that sine to the power 4 theta equal to this. So sin to the power 4 theta is equal to 1 by 8, 3 minus 4 cos 2 theta plus cos 4 theta. Right, now instead of here theta, we are having t. Right, so this can be written as Laplace of sin to the power 4t will become Laplace of 1 by 8, 3 minus 4 cos 2t plus cos 4t. Now it is easy, right? So we'll apply Laplace to each and every place. 1 by 8 is constant over here. 3 Laplace of 1 minus 4 Laplace of cos 2t plus Laplace of cos 4t. So what is the formula of Laplace of cos at? S divided by s square plus a square is equal to 1 by 8. Chalo 3. Laplace of 1 was 1 by s or not? Minus 4 Laplace of cos 2t, s divided by s square plus a square. Laplace of cos 4t, right? So it is s divided by s square plus a square, but now a is 4. Okay. So if you simplify this will be your 1 by 8, 3 by s minus 4s divided by s square plus 4 plus s divided by s square plus 4 square, that is 16. So it is 1 by 8. Right, now depending on the options, you can simplify it further. Right, you can put till here also 3 by s minus 4s by s square plus 4 plus s by s square plus 16, or in next step you can take LCM as well. So for GATE students, you can move forward according to the options. For GTU student, you can move forward according to the marks. Okay, but I'll suggest you that जितना simplify कर सकते हो कर लो. Okay, GTU students, Maths 3. Right. For Maths 3, just write 2-3 steps more after taking LCM. Okay. And if you are having doubt in them, just ask me. Okay. So if you are having, okay. So this is your question number 5. Now and rest 2 questions were question 6 and question 7. So have you tried this question number 6? Laplace of sin pt plus q. Anyone? See, from home you should try these questions. If you won't try, then then you will not understand your mistakes. Maths is all about making mistakes and learning from it, and learning from them, I can say, because mistakes are many. So please make mistakes and learn from them. If you are not making mistakes, if you are not trying, then how you will make mistakes? So Laplace of sin pt plus q. Okay, tell me now how we can proceed forward. For that, again, you need to know formula of sin a plus b, right, or sin x plus y. Is it clear? You are able to hear me, na? Everything is clear now? My voice is audible to you clearly? Because yes, right, because in previous class there were issues regarding voice. So you are able to understand everything, right? See. So for this question, you should know formula of sin a plus b, and definitely I will give you buy one get one formula. With this one formula, I will give you 3 formula free. See. So first, sin a plus b or x plus y. So sin x plus y, its formula is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So formula of sin x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. But suppose in exam, instead of plus, if you are having minus, then this formula will become sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Okay. Now, similarly for cos of x plus or minus y. Right. So first let me give you formula for plus only. So for plus, it will become cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So in case of cos, when you are having plus, you will get minus over here. And when you will be having minus over here, you will get plus here. Is it clear? Please give me some response. Is it clear? This formula are clear or not? Type in chat box. Everything is clear till this point? Previous question and this? Okay. So now let us use this formula in our section. So Laplace of sine pt plus q. So if I formula over here, if I apply formula of sine x plus y, so first let me write this formula. So formula of sine x plus y is sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. So this will become Laplace of sine pt cos q plus cos pt sine q. Okay. Now see over here, what is our variable? Variable is t. So this q is constant for Laplace. If q is constant, then cos q and sin q are also constants. So if these are constants, we can take these constants output from this and outside from this Laplace transform. So cos q and sin q are constants. So this will become cos q can be taken out from this Laplace. Cos q Laplace of sin pt plus sin q Laplace of cos pt is equal to cos q Laplace of sin pt, a divided by s square plus a square, p divided by s square plus p square. This is sin q cos pt, it is p divided by s square plus p square. No, sorry, for cos it is s divided by s square plus p square. Now my denominator s square plus p square is constant in both the cases. So I will take s square plus p square as common. So 1 upon s square plus p square, p cos q plus s sin q, p cos q plus s sin q. Is it clear now? Please give me some response. If you want repetition, then also tell me. I will repeat this. Do you need any repetition of this? Don't hesitate to ask. Don't hesitate to ask. Okay. Shall I repeat or shall I move to next question? Right. Let me. Okay. Question number 7. Laplace of sine hyperbolic t sine t. Okay. So for this also you require one formula. Let me give you that formula. That is your formula of sine hyperbolic theta and cos hyperbolic theta. Those formula I have given you already, right? In Laplace. Let us see there. Wait. Yes, these are your formula. This formula we are going to use over here. Sine hyperbolic it is e to the power 80 minus e to the power minus 80 by 2, and cos hyperbolic it is e to the power 80 plus e to the power minus 80 by 2. Okay. So these are our formulae. Sine hyperbolic theta is equal to e to the power theta minus e to the power minus theta by 2. So here we are having sine hyperbolic t. So what will be its formula? Sine hyperbolic t will become e to the power t minus e to the power minus t divided by 2. Right? Because for sine hyperbolic at, it was e to the power at minus e to the power minus at by 2. Since it is t, it is e to the power t minus e to the power minus t by 2. So now if I put this value over here, sorry. So this will be your Laplace of sine hyperbolic t. It will become e to the power t minus e to the power minus t divided by 2 into sine t. Let us take 2 outside of this Laplace. So it is equal to 1/2 Laplace of e to the power t sine t minus e to the power minus t sine t. So this Laplace can be applicable to both of these terms. So this will be equal to 1/2 Laplace of e to the power t sine t and okay. Minus Laplace of e to the power minus t into sine t. So here you should stop, right? Because its next step is suspense, right? That suspense I will teach you after teaching you one property of Laplace transform, which is its first shifting property. So first let me teach you this first shifting property, and based on this property I will show you what is its next step. Okay. So first let us understand its first shifting property. After applying first shifting property, we can complete it in this 2-3 steps. So we can start from here. Okay. So see over here, first shifting property. Okay. Even we can simplify it further as well. So first shifting property, let me write here. I require this 2, 3, 4 steps. Okay. So let us continue from here. First shifting property. Then I will give you another rest properties as well. Now see, so first shifting property states that if Laplace of f of t equal to f of s, understand this carefully, if Laplace of f of t is capital F of s, that means you know input function and output function, then first Laplace of e to the power at into f of t will become f of s minus a. That means if you are multiplying e to the power at with f of t, then in its Laplace you have to interchange s with s minus a. Okay. In the same way, if you are multiplying e to the power minus at with f of t in question or in input of Laplace, e to the power minus at into f of t, then you have to shift your answer with s plus a. That is your shifting property. और अगर ये याद रखने में आपको confusion हो रहा है, you can remember like this. First write f of s, then change s to s minus a. So it will be your f of s minus a. First write f of s, then change s to s plus a. So it will be your f of s plus a. So first shifting property states that if e to the power at is multiplied with your function, if e to the power at is multiplied with your function, you can see over here. Yes. So if e to the power at is multiplied with your function, then in its Laplace, just you have to replace s with s minus a. For e to the power at, you have to replace s with s minus a. For e to the power minus at, you have to replace s with s plus a. Again, I am repeating, for e to the power at, you have to replace s with s minus a. For e to the power minus at, you have to replace s with s plus a. Right? Is it clear? For e to the power at, you have to replace like this. E to the power minus at, you have to replace like this. So this is your f of s minus a, and this is your f of s plus a. So first shifting property, everyone clear with this? So here also we are having here e to the power t or not? E to the power minus t or not? What is Laplace of sine t? See, if I apply first shifting property over here, now it is not suspense for you. So now if I'm applying this first shifting property over here, so Laplace of sine t, what is Laplace of sine t? A divided by s square plus a square. Here a is 1 divided by s square plus 1 square. Now I have to replace this s with s minus 1 or not? Because if e to the power at, it is s minus a, e to the power 1t, it is s to the power, it is s minus 1. Here also, Laplace of sine t will be 1 upon s square plus 1 only, or 1 square. Then I have to replace this s with s plus 1 over here. Because why with s plus 1? Because here it is minus 1. So I have to replace this s with s plus 1. Is it clear or not? Please give me some response. Is it clear? First I have to replace s with s minus 1, then I have to replace s with s plus 1. Everyone, first shifting property clear? If it is clear, then we can continue, right? Yes, great, great, great. Now see, so this will become 1/2 1 upon s minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 1 upon s plus 1 whole square plus 1, because 1 square is 1 only. So if I simplify it further, so s minus 1 whole square, it is s square minus 2s plus 1 or not? S minus 1 whole square, s square minus 2s plus 1, a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 1 here as it is, minus 1 upon s plus 1 whole square, so it is s square plus 2s plus 1 plus 1. So this will be your 1/2 1 divided by s square minus 2s plus 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, so it is s square minus 2s plus 2 minus 1 upon, this will be your s square plus 2s plus 2. Okay, so if you take LCM over here, so it is s square plus 2s plus 2 minus s square minus 2s plus 2 whole divide by s square minus 2s plus 2 into s square plus 2s plus 2. So now see over here, right? So here if you simplify this further, is equal to half. So here if you apply minus s square will get cancelled out, 2 minus 2 will get cancelled out, 2s plus 2s, it will be 4s. Now if you check your denominator, so you can write this as s square plus 2 are common here, and it is minus 2s and plus 2s. You can convert this into formula of a minus b, a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square, right? You can convert like this, a minus b, a plus b as s square minus b square. So this will be your 2 2s are 4s, and in denominator I'll be having s square plus 2 whole square minus 2s whole square. So in numerator I'll be having 2s, in denominator it is s square plus 2 whole square minus 2s whole square. So you can put this like this also, like this also, all depends on your options for GATE students, and all depends on your marks, okay, for GTU students. So it is your s to the power 4 plus 2 to the 4s square minus 2 square is 4 minus 4s square. So plus 4s square minus 4s square will get cancelled out. It will be 2s divided by s to the power 4 minus 4. Okay, और प्लस 4, सॉरी यहाँ पे तो आपका प्लस 4 ही आएगा, s to the power 4 plus 4. Is it clear now? This will be your final answer. Okay, 2s divided by s to the power 4 plus 4. So this is our first shifting property, and this is your example of first shifting property. Now let us see second shifting property. Okay. So for GT students, you can see proof of this first shifting property by your own. If you are not getting anything in that, you can ask me, because in its formula only, right, I can give you hint for this proof. So what is your formula of Laplace transform of f of t? Right. So let me give you hint for its proof. So we all know that Laplace of f of t is defined as integration 0 to infinity or not, e to the power minus st f of t dt, isn't it? Right. कल हमने definition देखी थी. We have seen this definition yesterday. Now, if you are taking Laplace of e to the power at f of t dt, f of t, so it will become 0 to the power infinity e to the power minus st. Instead of f of t, I'll be having e to the power at f of t dt, isn't it? So this will be your integration 0 to infinity. Here, what I can write down here over here, see here carefully, integration 0 to infinity. If I'm taking here, I can write this as e to the power minus st plus at or not, f of t dt. And now if I'm taking t common from here, right, so it can be written as minus of s minus a into t or not, because minus st plus at, if I'm taking minus common, it will be s minus a, and if I'm taking t common, so it is only this. Okay, so this is I'm writing over here. It is clear? Okay. Now, Urvi, please. Okay. So, what is the definition of Laplace, right? We were writing this as function of f of s. Why? See over here. In this question, where you can see this s, variable of integration is t only, t only, t only. But here it is s. So since here we are having s, we were writing it is s capital F of s. Here, instead of s, we are having here s minus a. So it is f of s minus a. This is its proof. Is it clear? So similarly, you can prove for e to the power minus at. Okay. So it is proof of first shifting property. Now let us see second shifting property. So see over here. We have to understand this carefully, and this is much more important for gate as well as for GTU. Second shifting property. Okay. First shifting property, if it is important 5 star, then I would like to give first shifting property 2 star, right?